Hello guys, welcome to Creative Projects. Today I am going to show you how to cut or trim, and duplicate the layer. First of all, import the video in After Effects which you want to cut or trim. Now drag this video from Project Panel to the Composition panel. Now place the indicator where you want to cut or trim. So here is my indicator. If you want to cut or trim the video from here, then simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Now if you want to remove these extra layers, then simply select these layers and press Delete button. If you want to duplicate the layer, then simply select that layer which you want to duplicate, and then press Ctrl plus D. So here's my video that's been duplicated. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy this video, then like the video and subscribe my channel for short, quick and easy tutorials.